The third workspace is called editing. Now, this is your editing workspace where you get to see 4 different panels where you pick anything you want to work with. I'll be explaining what these panels do. So this panel is called the project, or the, obviously it's called the project panel. This is your project panel. This is more like your monitor where you monitor all the videos that you're editing, and where you also preview. You don't preview here, but I'll show you where you preview. But this is where you also watch literally everything that is playing in the timeline. This is called the timeline for editing. In videos, you hear about timeline, you hear about so many keywords and so many video editing words, and it's always best to know what they mean. So once they talk about it, you know where to go to. This is the video editing timeline. And this is another panel where you can access effects and so many other fancy stuff I'll be putting you through later in this course. Now you are already getting to understand how to use Premiere Pro. Like you're already doing well. You're doing well already, because by now you know about the folder structure. It's already written in your mind that before you start the project, you need to make sure you have a very good folder structure, as we talked about. The second thing is for you to know that you have the video you're editing on your timeline, which is being previewed, and you have this other panel here for your effects. Now, I will not take it too far. I'll be going to the next workspace. Now, what you do in this panel is as simple as this. You color correct your videos. If your videos are overexposed, if they are not lighted well, you come up here and you correct it up. We're going to still talk about this. And you do so many other lots and so many other color grading and color correction and so many other fancy stuff that you get to enjoy later in editing. So we have a very good way and a long way to go, but I will make it short for you by putting you through all you need to know and understanding everything you need to know to become a very good video editor.